What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. First one for the year. Go ahead and get this started with what I will be using for the year for 2021, which is all my rod and reel combos. I have bait casters and spin casters. I do have another on the way. Finally was able to get me a Googan Squad rod, so I'm not sure what I'm going to put on it. Been looking at the Lose, of course the Pro TI, the Lose Hyper Mag, and then the Team Lose Light Speed speed spool. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. See you at the back of my truck. All right, for my first rod and reel, apologize, it's kind of windy out here, but I only have one, so I'm going to go ahead and show this one off first. It is a Lose. I got this one from Walmart, both of them, but these actually were a what was this one? This was a, oh, there it goes, a Lose Xfinity, which was actually, this one was from Walmart, but the original rod broke, and so went back to Walmart real quick and snatched up another one, which you can actually get both of these at Walmart. Maybe 60-70 bucks total. Not really sure, I don't remember what it was, but yeah, this is my spin cast right here. And use this one for mainly when I go out to the river. It is a 610 medium fast action. So yeah, here's the first one. So I'm just grabbing as how they're laid out, whatever. But this one is actually, this one's from Walmart too. This one was actually, I was surprised with the price. It was only like 28-30 bucks for the rod, which is a Lose Laser HS Speed Stick, 7-foot medium heavy fast action. And the reel I got from Academies or Cabela's or Bass Pro Shop, I don't remember. It's a Lose Speed Spool 5-to-1. So this is my, I guess, first bait caster. Well, that y'all are seeing like in order however I put them, but yep, I have, this one has, I think, 15-pound fluorocarbon. I think this one's I just got the I think Stren or I don't remember which one I have. This is the only one that's different from the other ones. Next one is actually another. This one's another Walmart one I got. It's the Lose Reactor. It's a, should be, yeah, 7.5-to-1 too. This one has 30-pound braid, and it has a, I think, 20-pound leader on it. Another one I have, it is a 7-foot medium fast action. This one is, of course, everything I have is ready to break up, so next one I have is a mixed up Abu Garcia, which I don't really use this one. I mainly let my son use this one right here. This one has, this one's another braid. This one's a 7-foot medium heavy with a Lose. This was actually off of another another combo that came from, excuse me, I don't remember where I got this one from. Maybe, I don't remember. Either way, if you see it, it's white and red. It's the Abu Garcia MLF edition. So whatever, if it came from Academy or Dick's or Bass Pro Shop, Cabela's, I don't remember. But the actual reel from this one was white and red. It pretty much matched it. That one broke, and so went and bought this one right here. I don't remember how much this was, but yeah, here's the next one. The next one, which actually, if you see right here, the crankbait got caught on the top and on the inside of the reel, so I got to do some Yeah, we gotta do some operating on this one to get this one undone. This next one, this is a Sixgill. I'm not sure if anybody's ever heard of that brand. Right here. They are, I like them. They're real. Their rods and their reels are, just my opinion. I'd have to, try it out for yourselves. But this one is a Sixgill. This one's called a Creature, the rod, and it is 7 foot medium heavy. The rod is, the reel is a 8 1-to-1. So this is more of the fast, I guess, reeling ones. Yeah, so this one right here. Yeah, it sucks. And this one right here is a 2-piece. Right here, it's the same thing by Sixgill. This one's the Sixgill Saga Split, which they have the Saga, which is the 1-piece, and the Saga Split, which is one I have, which I figured, might as well go ahead and get a split just in case if I gotta go somewhere. I can just, I got a somewhere real quick I can store it instead of putting it in the back of my truck, where it could easily get taken from anybody nowadays. Same thing as the Sixgill Cyclone, same as the other one. That was the 8-to-1, which don't know why I bought 2 8-to-1s. I should have bought a 7 and then an 8 or a 6, 7 and 8, whatever. But yeah, like I said, all these are all freaking rigged up. Yeah, and this one, this is a 7 medium. But yeah, these the Sixgills, these are, I've never heard them till I came upon it. I don't remember how I came upon it, but I like them. I like the color blue. They're pretty much, their colors are mainly all black and blue, or silver and black, or but they do have options where you can actually change out all the different colors. I think it was green, red, purple, I think even pink. I'm not sure, but me, since I like blue, mine are gonna stay blue. So yeah, which I didn't mention earlier in the intro, I'm also gonna do an unboxing, which is through Sixgill. So this was over 200 and maybe around, somewhere around 250, I think I remember. But yeah, it is from Sixgill too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I already kind of cut it open already, make it easy for me to get to. Also have this big old tube right here that I'm getting. So I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. So I get this. So far from the top, we have a long sleeve hooded long sleeve shirt, Sixgill. Right here, I'm gonna put this bad boy on when it gets a little warmer. You'll see it's kind of a little chilly right now. I have a rod sock, black and blue. This is a square bill, very small, 2.5 silent square bill. This one's called the chicken nugget. So yeah, this actually has a pretty good color on it. It's like this one. This one's a medium diving crankbait, gizzard shad, 7 to 10 feet or float. So yep, pretty good color there, like that one. This one is another silent square. This one's a 3 feet. 3-inch, man. So the same as the other one, just bigger. This is called the J Flash. This one's 3 to 6 feet for a float. So, and also got some hooks. These look pretty freaking good. The size 4 offset. There's 25 in here, so those look pretty good. Also got a sticker. So. Stuff away. These are some small crankbaits, but hey, still caught some fish. 2.5-inch lipless crankbait, the red dot summer shad. So, there. another, the 3-inch silent square bill, the J Flash, that green one. So I have 2 of these. Some top water. This is a different color, kind of cool. 3-inch popper, the Heimdall pink belly. If you can see, it has a little bit of purple on top. Some little bit of silver and gold, or yellowish, goldish, whatever. And then I have another 2.5-inch lipless crankbait. This is called After Hours. So nice little colors. I like them. I think they'll work. And then another medium diving crank. Oh, the same as the other one, the Gizzard Chad. So yeah, that's what I got there as far as the box. Definitely will be using these. Try them out. See what I can get off of them. These hooks are freaking. That's what I got inside right here. This was in the tube. Got another rod. Actually, it's pretty good. This is the same thing as Sixgill. It's called the Kratos 7 foot 3 inches, medium heavy power. These grips look pretty good. Got that rubber grip on them. Got their logo on them. See it? Got this tape off. But one thing I forgot to show you too is I have a as far as my arsenal, being that this is the newest addition, besides the Google Squad where I got coming in. But yeah, here's the I don't know if you can see it right here. It's a little Sixgill, and the little logo is right there. These feel pretty good. They put this all the way up if I can. On that. But here's the this right here. Hermit Laser Classic, which I haven't even bought it at Academy. It's orange, and it's already been spooled up with 17-pound fluorocarbons right here. So yeah. Sorry if this isn't like I'm looking at the camera. I'll have a glare from the sun, if y'all can tell. And I have another little thing set up where I guess my phone where I can see where the camera's pointing at, so it doesn't move with the wind. So if it doesn't, I look weird not looking at the camera. That's why. Yeah, you know, I was looking for more of a silver. Well, I wanted more of a silver. Silver reel. A silver bait cast for this, being that it's silver. I have this orange one, so this orange one's probably gonna go on here. Again, here we go. No paper. So far, as of right now, this is my biggest, or my longest rod right here. As far as the Googan Squad rod I got, I do not remember how long I got it. I have a lot, man.
Okay, I just found it right now on the floor.
I have a plenty. Thank you. That was nice. Offer me some free fishing hooks, but I'd rather give them to somebody who actually needs them. I have plenty of them. From throwing just regular worms, whatever, to of course your different offsets, so 3, 4, and 5. So I got plenty of hooks. So I'm not gonna take a bag of hooks when somebody else might need it more. Especially some of the kids. If I have stuff left over, I don't mind giving it away. Especially the kids who are out here fishing like my kids. Whatever I don't use, I keep. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, that's what I got. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.